Hi, I'm Gabby and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you an all standing, no jumping HIIT workout. There's going to be 8 exercises. Each exercise is 45 seconds on full power followed by a 15-second breather. If you've got any comments or feedback, drop them down below after the video. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into each exercise, and I'll also pop the name just down here. If you've not already hit that subscribe button, do it right now. Press the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Let's get straight into today's workout. First exercise we're going to take today is some cross punches. So you're just going to punch across the chest, don't go yet. So we're just going to punch across the chest, bending through the knees, and we're going to take that in 3, in 2, in 1, let's go. So you're just punching across the chest, nice and fast. I want you to make sure you are bending through your knees. Punch across the chest. Let's start off this 8-minute all standing, no jumping HIIT by taking out all of our anger for the day, for the morning, for the afternoon. Let's do it. Give it absolutely everything. How many calories can we burn today? Punching across that chest. Keep going. You've got 15 more seconds here left to go. It's gonna get hot. It's gonna get sweaty, but we've got this. Keep going. You've got another 5, 4, 3, let's do it, 2, and 1. Break there. Whew. Okay, next up, you've got a squat and the right leg kicks to the side. Just the right leg though. We're going in 3, in 2, in 1. Go, squat, right foot, squat, right foot. So I want you to get nice and low every time you drop down. And don't forget your knees over the toes. Do not let your knees cave in. You will get pain. We go squat, kick that right foot. Again, you are taking out all of your anger for the day. Squat, kick, squat, kick. Keep it up, everyone. We've got it. 20 more seconds. Get low with that booty to the floor. Let's make it round. Let's make it perky. We've got another 10 more seconds here to go. Whew. Squat. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break there. Next up, the right leg is still working. The hands go to the opposite side. Tap the knee away. Tap the knee away. Obviously going to take it faster. In 2, in 1. Let's do it. Whew. So it's just that right leg coming in, tapping towards your hand. The left leg stays as a stabilizing leg. It does not move anywhere. Tap and press, tap and press. We've got this, let's do it. The faster you go, the higher your heart rate's gonna get, the more calories you are gonna burn, I promise. Give me everything in your TaylorToned workout and you will get the results. But you have to give me all you've got. 10 more seconds. Can we go a little bit faster? Keep going. You got 5, you got 4, you got 3, 2, 1. Well done. Next up, we're going to squat and we're going to kick your left leg. So we're going to get low and the left leg is going to kick towards the side. We're doing that in 3, in 2, in 1. Go. To the left. So whatever leg you had the first time round, I want you to double check, are you taking the opposite leg this time? Let's do it. We go squat, kick that left leg. Squat, kick that left leg. Get low with your butt down to the floor. You're gonna ache tomorrow, but that's what we want. 15 more seconds here left to go. Kick. Take out the anger. Who do you hate? Kick them. Squat, kick. Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm going to take the other side of the left leg going out and the hand tap into the knee. Just like that. As fast as you can in 4. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. So again, you want to make sure you have the opposite leg of the one you just had a couple couple of minutes ago. Super important. Tap, press back. We've got it. 8 minutes of intense all standing here. This will prove to you, you don't need to be jumping about just to get that heart rate high. You can do everything low impact. Let's do 15 more seconds left to go. Keep on going. Whew. Your heart rate should be starting to get up. Round about now. Let's do it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay. Now the hands come over the head, over the head. Right foot taps backwards, then comes in, over, in, 2, 1, go, over, in. We are moving as fast as we possibly can. We go, reach in, bringing the elbows tight into that waist. Getting some back right here too. We go, out, in. 25 more seconds here left to go. Give me everything. You are so close to being done in your workout. Can you push through this final section? Just give me another. We've got it. 10 more seconds here left to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, nice deep breath. We have another round of those punches and then you're into your final exercise. So what you're gonna do this time is just punch across the chest. Get the heart rate up. Going nice and fast. Go. It's hard to talk right now. Keep going, punching across that chest. We have this, everybody. Next up, it's your final thing, and then you have made it through your 8-minute hit with me. Can you take it up a notch and go faster? Punching across that chest. Take out your anger. Get into those energy reserves. Let's burn some calories. Let's melt some fat. We have this. You've got another 6 more seconds here, and then you're into your final thing. Let's do it. 2 and 1. Okay, last exercise. Left leg now. Reach in, just like that. We're going in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, go. So this is your final thing. We can do this. We've made it all the way through. You only have to take this final push. And then you have smashed your workout today. Make sure you drop me a comment down below after the workout. Let me know how much you found the burn. We can do it. I so want to give in right now, but we're not. We're gonna get through it. Reach the hands over the head. Press that toe backwards. 15 more seconds here left to go. Reach in, 10. Final push now. We got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done, everybody. You made it. Well done, everybody, in your 8-minute all standing low impact hit. I hope you loved that workout. I definitely got a bit of a sweat on. Make sure you drink plenty of water after this, and I'll catch you next time for another Taylor Toned workout video. Hit subscribe. Bye.